Welcome to Byrappa. Today I'll be showing you a beautiful collections of wedding sarees. Since it's a wedding season, we have very new collection and very new designs, and also the color combinations of very beautiful sarees. This is a wine burgundy color and comes with a very nice border of only 4 inches. This is a very nice beautiful maroon shade, and this saree comes with a 2-gram gold jari blouse also. This is a contrast blouse. This is a celebrity inspired color combination. A gold saree with a bright maroon combination. All of the sarees are pure handloom silk saree. Very nice purple color combination. This saree comes with a very antique jari. A nice pastel shade with a purple color contrast. This is a nice bottle green saree with a baby pink contrast. A rama green with small checks. It comes with a silver and gold combination. Very beautiful light tissue saree with a pastel shade. It comes with a very nice turquoise blue color also. These are all handloom pure silk. The colors and the combinations and all used in the saree are extremely beautiful. This is a olive green color. And the saree comes with only contrast blouse color, and it is of magenta combination. This is a parrot green, a peacock combination. A bottle green with a very bright red color. If you like any of the saree, you can always contact me on the number which is displayed on the screen. We do have many more sarees which I won't be able to show in this video. So if you want to inquire, you can always contact us. A nice lemon yellow with purple combination. lavender shade, again with purple combination. Many customers are asking only for the purple contrast. A very fancy and a very latest color. This is a very nice pastel shade, a baby pink contrast, baby pink self design.